little spot. $25 for power and water too. And it's, Maleny is stunning.
Daddy, I like buses. Can we go in? But I can see.
Classic Aaliyah. Making friends with all the old ladies playing tennis.
Why did that pin upside down?
Oh, that one's cooling around.
They look like birds.
Fight.
Pin upside down.
I think we found the coolest jungle playground. How sweet is this, Dave? What? Even the chooks are out to play. Pretty cool, but there's this big dog black bus that travels around Australia and just sets up theatres like this. I hope that actually got a time lapse. I went up to turn it off and it had a flat pantry. Yeah, guys. Long walk, isn't it? Huh? Nah, up here. 700 meters, Xavier. What are we? We're probably like, we're 400 meters, I reckon. More than halfway now. Huh? Like something out of Minecraft.
That's why I changed it fake.
Why?
Because when you go down, you're a little bit fake. I see you. What is that?
I couldn't even commit to a walk with a special treat.
Oh, la la.
Oh. I don't know what happened, but I feel like we completely somehow missed out on early beach. There's not a whole heap of footage. I don't know if something got deleted off the GoPro, off the phone or something, but from the video that we have found, I've thrown it in here and you can just watch that.
There's a lot of colors, Don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore.
It's our campsite we booked into for just a mere 8 nights. We discovered when we rocked up there that our power and water hookup is actually just power. So I'm going to be out here filling this up, I reckon, most days.
There are a lot of voices
What a doozy.
drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many
Hang on, sweetie.
choices
He's right in the shallow here.
making me afraid.
You see him? Whoa, look at how fast he is. Oh, I reckon he was chasing a fish. There he is.
Standing by the shore while you're
Joy's buddy. Nice.
Yeah,
I know.
I'm trying to strap it with their bucket. Okay. Splash, splash. That's it. Big hands now.
Uh-huh.
Big there.
the shore